Hey everybody, welcome back to Cars Jubilee. I'm Victor, and today we're doing the unboxing for the Ioniq. Oh, nope, scratch that. For the GV60. So we have here a little goodie bag. So when my sales guy Chris handed this to me, I originally thought this was actually from Genesis, from corporate. And then he explained to me, no, this is actually from our dealership. And I said, oh wow, that is nice. So let me show you what we got. Here we have from Genesis of Cherry Hill, some wine. It's called Genesis, it's from 2017, and it is a Cabernet. So personally, I'm not the biggest wine drinker. My wife drinks wine a little more than I do, but I'm sure between myself, my wife, and our friends, I'm sure we can finish this off. Next up, from Yeti, we have a tumbler, which is also Genesis branded, and it's really nice. I think this is something that I'll actually use. And then we have another NFC key card. So you may have already seen earlier in the video that I already have an NFC key card in my sliding glove box, and that one's actually already programmed. Well, as I found out this morning when I tried to program this one, you can actually only have one programmed key card assigned to the car. So essentially, that one was already programmed by the dealership, and this one's just going to be an extra so that if I ever lose that one, then I have a free replacement ready to go. So, nice to have. And then we have two Genesis of Cherry Hill branded pens. I'll probably keep these in the car. And then, on the keys, we have a key tag. It's a Genesis branded key tag with Genesis of Cherry Hill's information on the back. And here it is on the set of white keys. And a side note, these keys are really nice. Probably the nicest keys I've ever had for a car. And I'll give you guys a closer review on it in another video. So now we are in the trunk. First off, there's this reversible floor mat. This was a dealer accessory that was included on my window sticker, so I don't really have a choice there. Let's just go ahead and take that out. Then we have the actual trunk floor, or sorry, the trunk cover. That's my window sticker right there. But one really cool thing you may have seen in the reviews is this little access panel. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's the window sticker. I'll show you guys that a little later. Alright, so what do we got? Well, we got the same tire mobility kit that came with the Ioniq 5. We've got our wheel locks. This is actually the front plate holder, since they didn't put it on for me since I live in Pennsylvania and I don't need it. They just threw it in there. And this, I honestly do not know. Ah, looks like a cargo net. That actually should come in pretty handy. And here we have the charging cable. Oh wow, this one actually does look a little different. This one's got that button on the front. So for the Ioniq 5, I don't have any physical buttons, I don't think, on mine. The head looks like it should be the same. And here, I actually didn't realize this at the time when I bought it, but they told me the vehicle to load adapter is actually included with the Genesis GV60. So we still have the actual vehicle to load outlet underneath the second row bench, but we also get this as part of the package, I guess. So that's cool. And again, mine came with a first aid kit that was on the window sticker as a add-on, not something that I could change. So you may or may not get that one. This one, I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Okay, so it's all the user manuals. But it's nice that they have it all organized, nice and neat, in a box. Alright, so moving up to the front. That's just some signage talking about the Ergo Motion seat. And I will go over that more in detail. But so far, I really like the seats. Nice and firm, but also have this kind of massage feature, which I'll go over. And of course, we've got that pull-out drawer with quite a bit in there. So first off, the cool thing that I saw was they included an NFC card. So once I program it, then I should be able to use this to open the door, to start the car and whatnot without a key. We've got Sirius XM, got a user manual for connected services, complimentary maintenance, quick reference guide, and this looks like auto flush handle. So talking about what to do for car washes. And this one's pretty heavy. This is the owner's manual. And not sure what this is. So I opened up the pouch and realized this is what it was for. It's just a little bag for the wheel lock key. And lastly here, we'll go over the window sticker. You'll see here the warranty stuff. I believe it is pretty much the same as Hyundai's warranty. And then we also have the Genesis experience, 3 years, 36,000 miles, complimentary maintenance. Same thing for complimentary service valet, where I believe they will come and pick up the car for service. Map care, connected services. And as you can see in the accessories, they added the reversible cargo tray, first aid kit, and the wheel locks. I didn't have an option to not check these boxes. I also didn't know they were going to be on there. There wasn't really an option to go over any of that during the reservation process. But luckily it's nothing too crazy. And also the carpeted floor mats are included as a standard feature. So that's nice. So, thank you to Genesis of Cherry Hill. You guys provided truly a luxury car buying experience. So, Art, the sales manager, Chris, my sales guy, Brian, my other sales guy, and Victor, who took some time to go over some of the details of the car with me. Thank you guys so much. Excellent service. Truly a full service experience. And as for all of you guys watching, well, coming up next, I'm going to do a video on the whole buying experience. So from my day one, my priority one reservation for this car, to actually picking up this car, I'll go over that whole process. And then also tell you more about actually buying the car, because spoiler alert, I bought this car at MSRP. So that means no markup, also no dealer add-ons that I had to pay for, but I did get a dealer add-on for free. So if you want to know more, keep an eye out for that. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and you should be getting notifications for the next one coming up. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about the unboxing, about anything that comes with the car, feel free to reach out in the comment section below. See you guys in the next one.